is the brand new Rivian R1S SUV. These are just now starting to hit the streets. The ones we're gonna see first are these launch edition colors. There's two right now. This is the green. Absolutely love this color. It's so cool and it looks so good after we've done our thing to it. So what have we done to this car? Well, we've put full body paint protection film, so every painted surface on this car has paint protection film on it. That's going to prevent it from any kind of physical impact damage like rocks, bicycle handlebars, a backpack, whatever you could push up against this paint, even a brick. You'll see that the paint will stay in really, really good condition. So it's like a replaceable clear coat all over this whole car. We've also installed our XR Plus, which is our highest end window tint film on every piece of glass in this car. So that's gonna block out the heat in the cabin, keeping you very cool as a driver. But also the added benefit, it's going to extend the range of this SUV during the summer because the AC will not have to work as hard to keep the cabin cool. And also we've taken the time to protect the interior of this vehicle so that all of the interior surfaces, which by the way, look at how awesome this interior looks. The dash is beautiful. Rivian has done such a good job at making this interior look so nice. Every panel is well put together on this vehicle. But we're gonna make sure everything's protected. So we've got our paint protection film on the screens, which is a matte finish to prevent fingerprints. We've got our ceramic coating on the seats. We've got our ceramic coating on all these door panels, all the carpets, the floor mats. That way you could spill a Coke in this car and it'll stay clean. And then on top of everything outside, we've also got a ceramic coating installed for very, very easy maintenance. So this car is gonna be very easy to clean. It's gonna stay cleaner longer. That's just gonna make owning this a beautiful vehicle such as this so much more fun when you walk up to it. So I wanna show you some of the details on our installations with these Rivians. You're gonna get a lot of different levels of installs whenever you look around for paint protection film options. We've done quite a few of these Rivians now, so we've kind of perfected our craft with these vehicles. So the first thing I want to show you is around these door handle inserts. A lot of shops are going to end the pattern right here and you're just going to have a little circle or oval around your door handle. We'll actually wrap those in so it looks like there's no film on the vehicle. Same thing up here by this window trim piece. All of this is wrapped in and around. Badges, you've got badges on both quarters and then you've got one on the hood. Those are also wrapped and radiused in so you can't see an edge. These are all wrapped in around the windows. So some shops are gonna end it right here. Well, we roll this in. Again, little details to us make the difference for the install because if you can't tell there's film on the car, that's just such a great benefit to the owner, right? You don't wanna see edges and lines if you don't have to. We do the same thing around these taillights. All of these are wrapped and radiused in really tight and nice so that there's no edges that you can see visible on the paint protection film. We do remove these badges here. Every badge is another big one on the rear that we take off. A lot of shops will actually just do the cutouts around these, which is fine. It's not improper, but then you have lines around all of your badges. Now, when we reinstall these badges, a lot of shops are just gonna go take adhesive and cut up little pieces and stick them to the back of the letters and put them back on. We do not do that. We order laser cut badge replacement adhesive so that this car is put back together the way the factory had originally intended it to be. I'm a car enthusiast, that's the way I would want my car done. That's the way we do all vehicles here, especially the Rivians. On this front hood, all of these edges are wrapped in here. These lights have film on them. This piece has film on it. Now I want you to look, on electric vehicles like this, there's no more grills. So now you've got big flat body panels that are basically like we call them snow plows whenever they're driving down the highway. They're gonna pick up rocks, any debris that comes flying up. So it's really important that we start protecting these pieces so that you don't get rock chips. This painted panel has film on it as well. So basically this entire car is fully protected to the max. So whenever you see this Rivian on the road, you're gonna see an owner with a very happy smile on their face. So if you're looking to protect your Rivian, give us a call, come by the shop. We'll educate you on all the products, the best processes and practices. At the end of the day, we just want you to make a good, informed decision whether you go with our shop or not, because we know that cars like these Rivians and the vehicles you purchase today are very special to you. So our mission here at Authentic Details is to inform you, educate you, so you make the best possible decision to protect your vehicle.